How to pause your HelloFresh subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need a break from HelloFresh, well here is how to pause your subscription using the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you log in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon or the menu button. And after that, you simply have to select account settings or subscription and look for the pause subscription option. And once you've found that, you simply have to tap on it and select how long that you want to pause your subscription, like a week, 2 weeks, or even longer. And here, once you're done with that, you simply have to confirm your pause and you are done. And once you do that, your HelloFresh deliveries will be paused, but you can resume anytime. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.